Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This here is the 4th generation and the newest generation iteration of this thermostat. It is a beautiful obsidian polished black look, and it looks super futuristic. Really nice thermostat. So I want to go over different topics when it comes to this thermostat. And today's video is going to be covering the factory reset or restart and how to do that. I also have videos covering all sorts of different topics on this particular thermostat and other Google Nest thermostats, every single generation up to date, covering manual override, 7-day schedule programming, and fan schedules, as well as how to connect and disconnect from the Google Home app, which is what you used for this thing, as well as eco mode and safety temps, lock and unlock, install and setup menu options and what they mean and what they do, as well as the no power situation or blank screen kind of problem you have with the thermostat if that ever happens and what to do to fix it. And then I have a comprehensive video covering all 8 of those topics into one big video to give you a full guide when it comes to the 4th generation Google Nest that you see here in obsidian black. So let's take a look at the factory reset for this device. This is a really simple process that you might need to do at some point if you were to buy it or you got it, secondhand from someone and you want to make sure that everything is kind of factory defaulted or reset off the device, so you can start from scratch. So what you want to do is go right to the settings menu, which is by double-clicking the screen and then rotating all the way to settings at 6 o'clock here. So now you're going to have some options here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and your first one you're going to see is restart. That's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to restart the device because it's acting a little funny, or you just want to reset by powering off and back on, that's how you would do it right there. There's a nifty option. And then the next one is the one we want to talk about here, is the factory reset. So if we click on that, it's going to say reset the factory defaults. Okay, this is going to be a master reset. Proceed with caution here because you will erase everything off the device, including the network connection, all the different things you have established to this point. So if that's what you want to do, you would go to reset and then click on the screen here on the dial and do that. But I'm going to go to the back button because I don't want to do that right now. So that's how you would factory reset. It's located at the bottom of the settings, okay? And we're just gonna go back and hit done. So that there, guys, is how to factory reset and restart your device by the simple methods available right in the menu. Like I said, don't forget to check out my other videos covering manual override, 7-day schedule programming, and fan schedule options, as well as how to connect and disconnect from the Google Home app. The mode, also the eco mode and safety temps and what they do and what they mean, lock and unlock, as well as the install and setup menu options and kind of what they mean and a summary of what they do, as well as the no power situation with the blank screen and you don't have power to the thermostat and it looks just blank, and how to fix that. But check out those videos. They're in my thermostat playlist. I'll link it all down below the video in the description. And that's going to be it for the factory reset. It was very simple, and it's something you're going to want to know if you own this device long enough. And at some point, it's going to be useful. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.